Hi everyone, it's me again, Dr. Seb. How are you today? Today I'm going to share with you some of the very important issues that may benefit you. Today I'm going to share with you 10 secret food that really can help you lose weight in 2 weeks time. Please stay tuned for our video. Let's start our top 10 countdown. First, the oily fish. Oily fish contain a lot of omega-3. The omega-3 can reduce inflammation and also reduce our cholesterol level. And omega-3 definitely can increase our satisfaction after eating and also make us always feel full. So, what is so good about this omega-3 and where is it come from? It definitely come from this fatty fish, or we call it oily fish. The oily fish can easily available in market, which is consist of salmon, mackerels, sardine, Prof, and also tuna. So how I recommend you to take is that every week twice take about 100 grams of this type of fish will help you reduce your weight. Number 2, medium chain triglyceride MCT oil. MCT oil is quite commonly available in our country, especially our country is the main producer of palm oil and coconut oil. So these two oils actually contain of a lot of MCT, and MCT definitely can increase our hormone to make us always feel full. How this MCT do it is that this MCT when entered our body and it was directly traveled to liver and digest, it gives energy, and it also promote the ketone to be produced and serve as the alternative source of energy. Definitely ketone will help in reduce our craving, our need of eating, always feel full. And ketone also replace the sugar to give us energy and won't convert into fat. So how I recommend you to take this is that every day incorporate 1 to 2 teaspoons of MCT oil in your daily diet will help you reduce your weight. Number 3, definitely is caffeine. So caffeine contained drink definitely will help you in reducing weight. Caffeine can make you feel happy and increase your mental performance and physical wellness. Caffeine definitely can increase our basal metabolic rate and thus cause weight loss. My recommendation for caffeine intake is 100 mg to 400 mg per day. Roughly 100 mg equivalent to 1 cup of coffee or tea. However, I recommend you to drink it at black without sugars. If with sugar, it defeats the purpose. Number 4, eggs. Many studies shows that every morning during the breakfast, take 3 eggs can reduce our whole day calorie intake, and it also make us feel full and reduce our oil intake. It also make us always feel energetic after taking the egg. Egg can provide us a good quality of protein and easily convert into energy. So my recommendation is that every day take 3 eggs in the morning can help you to reduce your weight. Number 5, green tea. Green tea full of antioxidants, and its active component is epigallocatechin gallate. This active ingredient definitely will increase your metabolism and reduce your weight. However, some studies shows that green tea doesn't help in reduce weight, but I suggest that this might be different from individual to individual. So my recommendation is that every day you can take up to 4 cups of green tea to reduce your weight. Number 6, whey protein. Whey protein is part of the milk products. After the milk was separate out the casein, then the whey protein was produced. Whey protein is a pure protein without fat. It is a good source of energy for our body, especially for lean people and also fat person. Yeah. So the whey protein really can be purchased over the counter, and my recommendation is that drink whey protein as a supplement for your daily diet, and it will automatically cut down your calorie from those non-healthy calories such as like calorie from carbohydrates. So I recommend that every day take 1 serving or 2 serving of whey protein for your daily supplement. Will reduce your oral intake because of you always will feel full after you take this. Number 7, apple cider vinegar, which is a very famous food. Apple cider consists of acetic acid. It can actually increase the fat burning process, especially for our belly fat. Apple cider vinegar helps us to weight loss by increasing the metabolism. So I recommend you to take the apple cider every day 1 teaspoon, and just later on, if it's possible, to increase 2 teaspoons per day. It can help in reduce weight effectively. Number 8, full fat Greek yogurt. Yogurt contains a lot of protein, potassium and calcium, and it also rich in lactobacillus and can protect our gut. It also helps to reduce inflammatory bowel disease. Yogurt have to take in plain and without sugar if possible. Yogurt also make your body feel full after taking it. So my recommendation is that every day take some yogurt as a supplement, and take those plain yogurt only without sugar if possible. It will help us to reduce the weight. Number 9, olive oil. Olive oil is a monounsaturated fat. It can reduce our body triglyceride level and also increase the HDL cholesterol level to protect our heart. Olive oil also causes our body to release GLP-1 hormone to make us feel full. So I suggest that every day put 1 or 2 teaspoons of olive oil in our daily diet or mix with salad will help us to reduce weight. Last, glucose. How glucose can be a good food? Glucose and table sugar is different thing. Table sugars is sucrose, which consists of 50% of glucose and 50% of fructose. And our body naturally is difficult to digest fructose, especially when we eat it. The fructose come from the sucrose will enter our liver and congest our liver and cause fatty liver. So if you replace all the sugary drink from table sugar, which is sucrose, to our natural glucose, definitely it can help in reduce your weight. My suggestion is that change all your sugary drink which content of table sugar into glucose, or reduce the sugar intake. We should take glucose moderately, even though it's good, because glucose also can make you grow fat. Yeah. So I hope you like my video, and please leave some comment for my video, and don't forget to subscribe my video. Thank you.